I was laying in bed one night, and all of a sudden this vision came to me of me working on a kind of fixer-upper house that was like bigger. Then I got to thinking, how much equity do I have in my home, and could I use it to buy a fixer-upper? So the next morning I got on the computer and started searching for houses that were under $200,000. And I found a lot of houses, but one stood out to me in particular, and that is the Victorian house. If you haven't seen the tour, I'll link it in the eye, and I'll also put a link in the description below. After I found the house, I arranged a showing. And before I knew it, I'd seen the house, I'd fallen in love, and my house was up on the market so I could sell it. If you haven't heard the story about the first buyer, I encourage you to check that out, it's in the eye. But now we have a second buyer, and that buyer is going to stick. So we are good to go on selling our house. I hope you found this video entertaining. I do apologize for the lighting situation. I accidentally packed up all of my lighting for my YouTube videos. So I'm stuck with this or a window, and the window is not available. So I'm stuck with this. And excuse the door opening and closing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it really helps the channel. And also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more amazing content. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.